This kid out here playing in the snow already at 7 in the morning. Nah, man, I'll be sleeping. Oh, truck. These guys took the red. I'm doing the same thing. Let's go! Damn, poor dude got stuck in the snow. What is that, a Malibu? Yo, his front tires are spinning.